West Bengal State Counselling PG Medical stay round counselling process has been started. If a student is looking for admission, he will have to go to WB MCC website. Once you go to that, this page will open. You have to click on the candidate registration and login. This portions. After that, this declaration is there. Once you go to this declarations, then it will take your basic details, roll number, application number, candidate name, mother's name, date of birth, all this. Then you have to give your password, which password you want to give for the MCC counseling. It will go to then OTP. You will be getting an OTP in your mobile. So once you give the OTP, then you have to do the final submit. Once you do the final submit, then your applications will open. In your applications, there are many stages. First is the view registration form, where your basic details will be there, followed by you have to go to your application, next stage of the applications, where your other basic details, other informations will be there, like your domicile, your religions, your category, all these things will be there. Also, you have to give your bank account details, and you have to upload a cancelled check of that bank account. You have to give the NRI details, whether you are looking for NRI quota or not, all these things. Then you have to give your MBBS passing detail, year of passing, passing status, your registration number, all. Then they will ask you whether you are pursuing the internship. If you are you have completed the internship, then you have to tell yes, you have completed. You have to give your internship starting date and the internship completions date, along with the institute name from where you have done your internship. See, in West Bengal State Counselling, all the students who will be applying, all the students will have to come to West Bengal in Kolkata for the document verifications. It is a compulsory for all the students, even the other state student who will be participating in West Bengal. Everyone will have to come to Kolkata for the document verification. If you are applying in management quota also, you have to come. If you are applying in NRI quota also, you have to come all of your document for the document verification process. So once the document will be verified, then only you will able to participate in the choice filling process. Student, this is in this form you can see you have to give your internship starting date and internship completions date. Once it is done, then you have to click on the save and next button. Save and next, yes, then they will ask whether you want to save. Once you save that, then you have to give your address, correspondence address details, everything. Okay. Then you have to do the same correspondence details, same as like a permanent address, everything you will have to give it. Okay, so it's like that. Then your final applications will open. Okay, in final application, all the details what you have added, everything will be there, along with the document what you have uploaded. All these things will be there. You have to check it properly. Then you have to click on the declaration. Yes, I want to submit. After that, you have to make the payment.